Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can view two parts of the same document in Microsoft Word. Over here you can see I have this 3-page document and I have to write about this picture over here by looking at the text explaining this picture. This means that I will have to scroll up to look at the picture and read this particular part of the document and get back to where I would like to write about it. Now just imagine if you have a document that is consisting of hundreds of pages and you have to scroll up to that particular place, read it, and then get back to a different part of the document to write about it. This would become quite tedious and could lead to a few more deaths of your brain cells. And here I am to show you how you can view two sections of the same document simultaneously without getting bored. First, you need to go to Home tab and click on View. Right in the View ribbon, you can see we have this window group, and here you can look at the option called Split. If you click over it, and there you can see our document now shows us two sections. Now you can go to the picture, and right at the bottom you can read this text and write about it over here. Now you don't need to go back and forth in your document or scroll up or down frequently so that you could write about a table or a graph or some picture like this. And when you are done with your writing or editing, simply click on Remove Split and you are back into normal mode. And let me show you one more thing over here in the same tab, that is multiple pages. Click over it and there you go. You can see we have 3 pages opened in front of us. It looks as if they are in print mode, but they are not. You can make your editing over here just like you do in your edit mode. Let me write something over here. You can see I can easily write over here, and likewise I can do into any of these pages. You might be thinking the text is too small to read. For that you can go to Zoom option and you can increase the zoom level. Let me increase it to 75%. Okay, and now you can see 2 pages are side by side and 1 is down at the bottom. Let me get back to Zoom again, and over here you can see we have also zoomed to a customized level. You can put in your own percentage over here. Let me put it 45 or 60. Okay, and there you are. At the right side you can see we have this option many pages. Click over it and you can see we have this option 1, 2 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 2 to 3. If you have a document that is consisting of more than 10 pages, then you can use this option just to organize your pages and make the editing part easier. And when you are done with your document, click on OK. And you can see it has decreased to a level almost invisible to a man having very weak eyesight. For that, go again to Zoom and put your figure that is 100. Click OK. And there we are. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.